Hey everyone, Road Glide Designs. What we wanted to show you today is our new design of our 23.5 Road Glide interfering speaker grills for the Cicada horns. What we've done is we've reverse engineered the speaker grills, and with that we've now designed a more open design for the inner speaker to be able to have some sound come through, and also be able to attach your Cicada horns to. These are a match set, so it comes with both, of course, both sides, and also comes with the horns. You can find them on our website and with our affiliates that sell our grills. If you have any questions, let us know. We can do other years and models as well. Just hit us up if you don't see it on our website. We're still going through and processing and designing other years and models. So let us know what you want and ride safe.